My name is Maddie Olberts, and I'm here at UMD getting my master's in Earth and Environmental Science. I am the grad student working on the Hartley project. The whole point of that project is to make a water budget. So a water budget looks at, in the entire system, where is the water coming from and then where is it going. And that'll be useful for the City of Duluth and the Minnesota Department of Natural Resources so that they can make some management decisions in the future. We need to know what's going on before we start making changes. So Tisher Creek was dammed to create Hartley Pond, and that pond is really loved by the community. It's a backdrop for people that like to bike or hike, but because of that dam, the water below the dam is warming up, and that's not so good for the trout population or the fish. I think that's really helpful when you're learning to actually apply what you're learning in the classroom to something you can see and experience firsthand, not some faraway example, some river we've never heard of, or some pond in a different state. We're actually going out into our own community. I am super interested in the classes that I'm taking. They're definitely fine-tuned to what I am curious about.